Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Des, your makeup girl, and in this video, i-review natin itong EB Advance Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. This is a new product from Everbilena and ang tagal ko nang naku-curious sa product na to kasi meron siyang top lash mascara and bottom lash mascara. So if you're like me na curious sa product na to, then keep on watching, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So guys, itong product na to is worth 225 pesos. It's from the EB Advance brand. And yung packaging niya is consistent with all the other EB Advance products that I have. Like itong lipstick, similar sila ng packaging. And even itong EB Advance Blush Duo, similar din sila ng packaging. So sa harap, makikita mo yung itsura and yung features nung mismong mascara, and sa likod andun yung brand name and yung name nung item. On this side, nandito yung mga ingredients, and sabi dito yung top lash mascara 8.5 ml and yung bottom lash mascara 3 ml. On this side naman, nandito yung claims, and sabi dito, get full luscious lashes with the Advanced Lash Define Mascara. It comes with an applicator for your upper and lower lash line for high impact, defined lashes, while its waterproof formula helps keep your lash curled and your look smudge free. Indicated din dito that you have 6 months to consume the product after opening. Now let's open the box, and this is how the mascara looks like. Napansin ko, sobrang text-heavy nitong itsura ng mascara na to kasi andito rin sa mismong mascara yung ingredients, and I don't think that's necessary kasi ang daming elements dun sa mascara. Anyway, when you open the top lash mascara, yung matitira dun sa the rest of the body is yung applicator, and yung wand niya is manipis lang with a bit of a curve. So now, let's open the bottom lash mascara. Ito naman guys, baliktad kasi yung na-detach from the rest of the body is the applicator. And ayan guys, sobrang nipis, sobrang liit ng applicator nitong bottom lash mascara. So I think this will be perfect talaga para sa bottom lashes. Now, gamitin na natin to sa aking eyelashes. So here, bawasan muna natin ang product. And yung first coat, gawin muna nating manipis. Ayan guys. I hope this is close enough para makita nyo yung effect. So guys, ayan yung may first coat na nung mascara, and ito yung side na wala pang mascara. Makikita mo na talagang nag-stand out na yung aking mga lashes, and medyo nag-lengthen siya, but with volume naman, very minimal volume lang naman yung nadagdag, but definitely it made a change. Now, let me do the second coat para makita natin yung full effect ng mascara. Ayan guys, that's the second coat, and as you can see, the mascara did a pretty good job of fanning out my lashes. And ayan, sa second layer, nakita ko na merong lengthening na naganap sa aking lashes. Merong konting clumping na naganap, so definitely you should be careful about that. Talagang kailangan mong bawasan ng product yung applicator para hindi maging clumpy at maging spider legs yung inyong lashes. Now to the fun part, ito yung pinaka-excited akong gamitin, yung sa bottom lash part. So let's do that right now. Here, I'm opening the bottom lash mascara. And ayan mo, sobrang nipis nga niya. Just the same, babawasan ko ng product yung applicator para hindi maging super clumpy pag in-apply na sa lower lashes. And then, I'll move in closer para makita nyo yung pag-apply. As you can see, sobrang dali ng application na yon. Sobrang daling i-reach yung corner hairs. And sobrang pantay-pantay yung pagkakakoat ng mga lashes ko dito sa bottom. And grabe guys, sobrang easy breezy talaga yung application. Wala akong masabi. Yung pagkanipis nung applicator, tamang-tama siya. Kasi talagang nare-reach niya yung far ends of the lashes, and meron akong troublesome na mga lash hairs dito and I did not have any problem reaching them. Normally with the fat applicators, talagang makikita mong nagkakaroon ng mga smudge dito sa corner ng aking eyes kasi nga ang taba ng applicator and nahihirapan akong i-apply yung mascara, but with this, it was such a breeze. Let me apply the second coat para makita natin yung full effect ng mascara. There you go guys. So, yan yung second coat of the lower lash mascara. And as you can see, merong lengthening, merong volume. And so far, wala naman clumping. And very, very pantay yung distribution ng mascara sa aking lash hairs. And ayan, ang ganda ng effect guys. If I can say, first impressions, this is really impressive. This is a game changer. Now, let me do this side of my lashes and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. Ayan guys, so tapos ko na i-coat both sides of my lashes and as you can see, talagang nakatulong yung mascara to make my eyes pop and open them up. Now, for my final thoughts, unahin natin yung top lash na mascara. With 8.5 ml of product, I can say na hindi na siya masama. And yung applicator niya guys, it's not too fat. Hindi siya ganun ka-stubby, and it's just perfect para dun sa curves ng iyong lashes. Talagang nasasakop niya lahat and napakadali rin ng application. Yung claims niya that it lengthens and volumizes, wala naman akong contention doon because it really did lengthen my lashes and nagkaroon ng volume. As for the lower lash mascara naman guys, ito talaga yung game changer kasi it helps girls like me na hirap sa pagkukoat ng lower lashes na mapadali yung process. And yung manipis na applicator, talagang nakakatulong siya to evenly coat the lashes with mascara. Like the top mascara, nakaka-volumize and nakaka-lengthen din siya. Yung amount of product, which is 3 ml, hindi na rin masama kasi konting product lang naman talaga yung kailangan mo for the lower lashes. Yung cons na nakita ko sa product na to is first, yun nga, sobrang daming text sa packaging niya. It would have been sleeker kung wala ng ingredients dito and talagang yung name na lang ng product yung makikita mo dito sa mismong mascara. But really, that's not a problem kasi hindi naman niya naapektuhan yung way ng pag-a-apply ng product sa yung lashes. It's just me. Gusto ko lang isuggest na mas sleek lang tingnan and mas malinis. Yun lang. Another thing na medyo hindi ako sanay gawin is yung dito sa top mascara. Kasi guys, as you can see, Napakalaki and napakahaba nung handle and medyo hindi ako sanay doon. It takes a while to get used to it. Pero pag nakuha mo naman na yung tamang stroke and nasanay ka na sa paghawak ng ganito kahaba, okay naman na siya. Other than that, guys, gustong-gusto ko tong product na to. Noteworthy din na 225 pesos lang siya. It's the first and I think the cheapest mascara na ganito yung features dito sa Philippines. And I have to say that this is Makeup Girl approved. So for my final thoughts, guys, the EB Advance Lash Define Waterproof Mascara is definitely something worth trying. There you go, guys. We've reached the end of this review and sana nakatulong ako sa pagde-decide kung bibili ba kayo nito or hindi. If you've already tried this product, then let me know in the comment section below kung nagustuhan nyo rin ba siya. Ayun guys, thank you sa panonood, and if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you still haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'm on Instagram @mookupgirl. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!